Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to disable YouTube Shorts from autoplaying in your feed. While there's no official option to remove Shorts completely, you can stop them from playing automatically. Start by opening the YouTube app on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Next, tap on General. In this section, find the option called Playback in Feeds. This setting controls whether videos, including Shorts, autoplay while you scroll. Tap on Playback in Feeds and you'll see three options: Always On, Wi-Fi Only, and Off. Choose Off. Now, when you scroll through YouTube, videos won't play by themselves. Shorts will still appear in your feed, but they won't start playing unless you tap them. This is the closest thing right now to turning Shorts off. This method works best on the YouTube app. On a desktop, you can simply download a Chrome extension to block Shorts. But by using this method, you can limit how often they autoplay or appear on the app. Thanks for watching.